Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, we're embarking on a trip from the UAE to Oman, specifically to Salalah. I'm really excited. This is Marwan with you. What would you like to say?
Assalamu alaikum. I'm excited.
Let's hear from Anas.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm happy and excited.
Stay with us for more details. Hey everyone, here's the map of our exciting road trip to Salalah. We're starting in the beautiful city of Al Ain, heading to the Mezyad border post in the UAE, and crossing into Oman at the Hafeet border post. First up, we'll visit the welcoming town of Ibri, famous for its cozy hotels, delicious restaurants, and lively markets. Then, we'll continue to the picturesque town of Nizwa, followed by the peaceful town of Adam. Here, the road narrows to a two-way route, so let's drive carefully. Next, we'll stop in the friendly town of Haima, where you'll find all the services you might need. After that, the road widens as we approach Tamrait, our last stop before reaching the stunning Salalah. The roads are safe and well maintained, and we're super grateful to the friendly local authorities for ensuring a smooth journey. Finally, after about 12 hours, we'll arrive in the breathtaking Salalah. I'm so excited to explore its beauty with you. Before we hit the road, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our adventures. And please share this video so more people can join us on this journey. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, we're currently in the vibrant city of Al Ain, and we've got about 40 minutes left until we reach the UAE border. Before we continue, enjoy some beautiful views of Al Ain. Once we arrive at the UAE-Oman border, we'll fill you in on all the details. Stay tuned and keep watching.
We've just arrived at the Mezyad border post in the UAE and are starting the travel procedures to cross over. Next, we'll head to the Hafeet border in Oman to complete the entry process there. Stay tuned as we continue our journey. Great news everyone, we've just breezed through all the border checks at both the Omani and Emirati crossings and everything went super smoothly, alhamdulillah. It was 30 dirhams fees per person at the Emirati border and 50 dirhams fees per person for the Omani tourist visa, plus a little extra for the orange card car insurance depending on your vehicle. The whole process was a breeze, and the staff on both sides were super friendly and helpful. Big thanks to them. Jazakumo, Allahu Khairan. Before we continue, just a quick tip. If you want to apply for the Omani visa online, it's a simple process and can save you time at the border. With an online visa, you can move through easily. You can find the link to the Omani visa website in the description box below the video. Now we're officially in Oman. Enjoy the views and stay tuned for more adventures. Alhamdulillah friends, the immigration procedures at both the UAE and Oman borders were super smooth and easy. Now, we're officially in Oman and heading to our first stop, the beautiful state of Ibri. I'm really excited to share this journey with you. Enjoy the views and keep watching for more fun.
Our first stop is the lovely state of Ibri, about 123 km from the Oman Hafeet border post. We're on our way there now, and once we arrive, we'll share more details about our adventure. So stay tuned, enjoy the views, and keep watching for more fun. We've been on the road since morning and now we're getting hungry. Anas, what are you in the mood for?
Asking our Omani friends.
We need your help. What's the most delicious local food we should try? Drop your recommendations in the comments below the video. What should we eat?
What should we eat? What should we eat?
We've just arrived at Ibri Bawari Mall in the town of Ibri. Time to grab a snack before we hit the road again. Stick around, there's more adventure to come. After a nice break in Ibri, where we grabbed a bite to eat and got things sorted, including picking up an internet SIM from Omantel with some great visitor packages, we're back on the road. Our next stop is the town of Adam, passing through the beautiful town of Nizwa. It's about 271 kilometers from Ibri. We'll be sharing more details as we go, so stay tuned and keep watching.
We're continuing our journey to Salalah with you. We've left the town of Ibri and have just arrived in Adam. Next up, we're heading to Haima. But before we move on, Anas, do you want to say anything to our awesome followers?
Yes, our awesome followers, stay with us for more adventures. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Keep watching for more fun.
As we continue our journey to Salalah, our third stop is the town of Haima. But before we get there, heads up, at this point on the map, the road changes from a double lane to a two-way road, so be extra careful while driving. Haima is about 320 kilometers from Adam, and we're excited to share more about our journey with you along the way. Stay tuned and keep watching for more updates. As we continue our journey to Salalah, we've now reached Haima. We've been on the road for about 12 hours since leaving the UAE and it's getting late. So we're going to take a break and rest up at a hotel here in Haima. Once we're refreshed, we'll be back on the road, so stay tuned for more adventures.
After a good rest at the hotel, we're ready to hit the road again and continue our journey to Salalah. Next stop, the state of Tamret. Let's get moving.
Our next stop is the last one before we reach Salalah State Thumrait. We're heading there now at this point on the map where the road turns from a two-way road back into a double road. Thumb rate is about 398 kilometers from where we are now. Once we get there, we'll share more details about our journey. Stay tuned for more.
Let's check out the types of gasoline they have here. This one is the equivalent of the super type in the UAE. This one matches the special type in the UAE. And this one is similar to the plus type in the UAE. Now that we're fueled up, let's get back on the road. Stay tuned and keep watching.
We've left Thumrait and are now on our way to our final stop, the beautiful city of Salalah. After resting, grabbing some food, and fueling up, we're back on the road. Salalah is just 71 kilometers away from here. Alhamdulillah, the road is safe and enjoyable, and we've had so much fun with the adventures and stunning views along the way. Huge thanks to the road safety police and all the authorities for their care and hospitality. We'll be in Salalah soon, so stay tuned for more details about our journey.
Hey friends! The weather has turned very nice with beautiful drizzle and fog. It's like we're entering Wonder World. We have 20 minutes left and we will reach Salalah. I can't wait to see more beautiful places. Wow, look at those amazing views, friends. Everything looks so beautiful, and the atmosphere is just perfect. We're almost in Salalah, and I'm super excited. On the way, it's been raining a bit, with drizzle and fog popping up here and there. I can't wait to see what's next once we arrive. Friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun and adventure. Stay tuned.
Alhamdulillah, friends, we've arrived in Salalah. MashaAllah, the weather is amazing. The nature, the greenery, the trees, and the clouds are so beautiful. It feels like we're in a magical world. The air is so refreshing. We're too excited to waste time, so instead of heading to the hotel, we're off to explore a place called Ain Razat in Dhofar, Governorate. It's a really beautiful spot, MashaAllah. We want to get there before it gets dark so we can take some awesome pictures for you. Let's go explore. And that wraps up this part of our road trip from the UAE to Salalah. We hope you enjoyed the adventure as much as we did. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video with your friends. Also, make sure to check out our other exciting videos on our adventures. Until next time, stay adventurous. Salam.